Hello and welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Now, as you've written your Jamb and you're seeing your results, what are the next things that you're supposed to do after seeing your Jamb result? What are you supposed to be doing now? Now, very importantly, once you check your result and you find out that you're not able to get to the very mark that you require, or you're not even able to cross the 180 mark or 120 mark, as the case may be, for the school that you want to go to. Now, there are a couple of options that are available for you. Number one that I would advise you is what we call IJMB JUPEP A level, that can help you get admission into 200 level. Here in Tclassified, we have school, we have hostels. Anywhere you are in the country, you can come join us so that we can coach you for that IJMB. Very importantly, that's what you're supposed to be thinking about. You can call my phone number so that I'll give you more information concerning that. My phone number is 070-671-62698. I'll take it again, 070-671-62698. You can as well call me if you're not in Nigeria and you want to call us in. You can call with the number +234 70 671 626. You can see the number here. So this is the number at the top right hand corner. Now, if you're in Nigeria and you're a student, whether you're in secondary school or you're in the university, there is this channel that is good for you. You can see it here, Tclassified.com. We bring all lectures. Currently, we are working on IJMB and JUPEP curriculum. If you want to stay and learn IJMB and JUPEP from everywhere in the world, we will be bringing you lectures starting from next week, using the curriculum for IJMB and JUPEP. We'll flood in lectures for you. The vision of Tclassified is to make sure that everybody in Africa learns in a very cheap way and learns well. And that is why we're putting up all these lectures free of charge on our YouTube channel, as well as on our website. Our website is Jamb NECO Uni. The name simply because we are covering things in Jamb, NECO, and even in the university. So if you check this website, you're going to see this is mathematics, well taught, Python if you're doing programming, commerce, CRS, economics, geography, English, all the things you want. These are for university: chemistry 151, physics 104, math 102, even up to master's level. This is chemical engineering masters, methods, unit operation. We are making all these videos and we are putting them out on a daily basis. So you either go to our website. The courses for secondary school are much more covered than those of the universities, but we are working on them. So we are pushing out IJMB and JUPEP classes from next week. Is good for you. If you want to learn computer too as a student, when you come down, you're going to see lectures on computer, web design, CorelDRAW, Excel. And the best school for you to learn all this is here in our school, Tclassified.com, in the University of Abuja, in Abuja. So you call me my phone number, then I'll direct you. If you want to come and stay in the hostel, I will prepare you. We also have a special program we are running. I will call it the Glory to Glory program. If you learn with us for 1 year, preparing for your WAEC or your Jamb, if you're not able to make 250 and above, we refund you your money. So in your Jamb, you must make 250 and above, and in your WAEC or O level, you must get up to 5 credits. If you're not able to hit these points, we refund you your money. So that is a new program that we are running, and we would want you to be part of it. So if you have any questions to ask, you can always drop them in the comment section of this video, or you can call my number 070-671-62698 so that you get the much needed help that you need in your academics. Everything about learning, you can get it from either the YouTube channel Tclassified.com or the website Jamb NECO Uni. So our vision is to make learning very, very good for the whole of Nigerians and Africans at large. Please click on the subscribe button immediately, so that anytime we release any video, you'll be the first to get them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Give this video a like, a thumbs up if you like it. Share them so that your friends can see them. And I'm very, very grateful for your subscriptions and support so far. My viewers, especially my viewers on YouTube, They've been very, very helpful in getting our business out, and in getting our vision out, and in getting this learning out. The way you've been sharing our videos and people have been seeing them and using them to learn and pass and score very high in Jamb, we are very grateful to that. Thank you, and God bless you.